Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about some of the best WordPress SEO plugins that are available. It's important to note that all of these plugins are free, but some of them do also have a paid plan. So let's get straight into it. First, we have RankMap SEO. This is easily the most comprehensive free WordPress SEO plugin. There is an easy to follow setup wizard that will have the plugin running in minutes and a clean user interface. Some of the features include rich snippets, XML sitemaps, Google Search Console integration, local SEO, role manager, and much more. This is the plugin that I use personally, and I highly recommend it. Next we have Schema, the all-in-one schema-rich snippets plugin. With this plugin, you can easily implement different types of schema markup to your web pages, including review, events, recipes, articles, products, services, and more. So this is an easy to use plugin which helps you add schema to your web pages. Schema is a type of structured data markup which gives your web page a more comprehensive description for search engine results pages. So this can make your web pages look more enticing in search results. I definitely recommend you giving this one a go. Next we have Link Builder. This plugin helps content creators connect to people whose web pages they link to. So quite simply, if you link to a site, this plugin will make it easy for you to email them or contact them and let them know that you have linked to them, helping you to build a relationship with that website, and maybe you will earn some backlinks yourself. So this is a great plugin for connecting with other bloggers and helping you to earn backlinks but giving them to other people as well. And finally, we have the Broken Link Checker. This plugin will monitor your blog looking for broken links and let you know if there are any found. This is a fantastic plugin which will automatically tell you if you have any broken links on your website. I highly recommend it and it's completely free to use, so that is the Broken Link Checker. That's all the plugins I'll be telling you about today, but these are all great plugins that you should definitely try if you have a WordPress website. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks and goodbye.